today's video, we're going to do Skittles for the first run in the freeze dryer. We're not only going to do one, we're going to try to do 9 pounds. Let's see if we can get it on the sheet. This is the large Blue Alpine. Nice trays. Silicone rubber mat comes with them. You get 5 trays. Let's see what we can do. Wow, look at all those Skittles. One tray. Okay, so the trays are warming. It's getting ready to change over to a different cycle. Let's check it out just for a little quick update. So as you can see here, my shelf temp is 136 degrees. The chamber is negative 19, almost negative 20. And in 35 seconds, we're going to switch from pre-warming. Let's see here. Look at all the candy in there. Wow. $8 pounds of Skittles. Alright, let's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Have it. Pump is cut on. You can see that the pressure, our end pours are dropping significantly. And 2 hours, we can have some freeze-dried Skittles. Alright everyone, cycle just finished. We are actually in candy cool down now, 15 minutes. So Skittles are looking great inside there, by the way. Super excited. It's complete. Cycle complete. Takes the vacuum off so we can open the door. Smells delicious. Let's take a look. Wow. Pretty hot. There you go. Tray of Skittles. Would you like to try one, Emerson?
Sure. Am I hot?
No?
No.
Go ahead. Good? Alright, let me try one. Y'all, these are for us, by the way. We're not selling these.
Yeah, I'll be here now.
Okay. Here we go. Freeze-Dried Skittle. Oh my goodness.
Those are good.
Yeah, they are.
In the freeze dryer, they're gooder when they come out.
I think I just got me some dinner.
Huh. Only another one.
Alright, go get some to Mom.
Okay.
Wow. Alright. Thank you for watching. Blue Alpine large freeze dryer. 8 pounds of Skittles on the first batch. I couldn't be more excited. We're going to get these packaged up and start giving it out to friends and family. And advertise our new services at Wild Feather Farm. Man, I am.
Not right there.
Wow. Alright, we'll see you on the next video. Mmm.